This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up your saves and closing the game. This prevents data loss and file locks. Once done, open Documents /Zomboid and Steam Workshop folders to locate mod files. Make sure to identify mods by folder names and matching workshop ID so you remove the right items. You do this first because deleting the wrong file can break the game. Backing up saves gives you a safety net. Proceed only when Steam and the game are fully closed. Now you perform the core deletion. Remove the mod folder from Documents /Zomboid /mods, and then delete the matching numeric folder in Steam /workshop /content /108600 to stop Steam from loading it. Next, open Documents /Zomboid /mod settings or mod list. TXT and remove any references to that mod so the game won't try to load missing content. If a mod installed assets elsewhere, search mod names for stray files. Make sure to empty the recycle bin to finalize removal. Finally, relaunch Steam and run Project Zomboid to confirm it starts without the removed mods. This verifies success. If you see missing asset errors or crashes, restore saves from your backup or reinstall the mod correctly, because mismatched files often cause those issues. Also check Zomboid logs in Documents /Zomboid /logs for specific file names to target. One key troubleshooting tip: if the game still references a mod, verify mod list. TXT and workshop content are both cleared, then restart Steam to refresh cached data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.